Morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, we have yesterday started 20C.
Everyone, please start your video.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Keep your video on, all of you. We have started doing exercise 20C, class 7C, C section. How many of you, matlab, you all are on which exercise?
20D.
Sorry,
20D. We're on 20D.
exercise 20D. And
Yes.
okay, same chapter, that means. So we are on 20C. Section A is on 20C.
Yeah, sir. We are 20C. We have done till fourth question.
Okay, so we will quickly finish exercise 20C and then we will move on to 20D. Fine. Section C, student, this will be a
Area, sir.
revision for you. You can do these questions again in your rough copy if you want, or you can do them in fair
Okay,
also.
sir.
It's your choice. Wherever you like, you can do these questions, rough or fair anyway. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can you show again the fourth question?
You want me to solve question number 4?
Yes, sir.
Find the height of a parallelogram whose area is 54 centimeters square. Area of a parallelogram is 54 centimeters square and the base of the parallelogram is given 15 centimeters. We have to find the height of the parallelogram. Formula of area is equal to base into height. We all know that. So 54 is the area, base is 15. We have to find height. 54 upon 15 is equal to h. That means 18 upon dividing by 3. 18 upon 5 is equals to h. Good morning. H equals to 3.6 centimeters. Fine.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have done by another. Sir, means we can do height equals area upon base.
Yes, you can do that. Question 5. One side of a parallelogram is 18 centimeters long and its area is same type of question. One side of the parallelogram, that will be the base, and find the distance of the given side from the opposite side. What is the meaning of height? Height means the distance between the two parallel sides is known as the height of the parallelogram. So they are asking the height of the parallelogram, but they have not used the word height. They have given the definition of height. Are you getting my point? In the question, they are not directly saying that find out the height. Like in the previous question, they were directly saying that find the height of the parallelogram. Here, they are not using the word height, but the meaning is the same. You have to find the height of the parallelogram. Distance between the parallel sides is the height only. So here also area of the parallelogram is given 153 centimeters square. Base of the parallelogram is given 18 centimeters. Again, we have to find the area. Area is equals to base into height. 153 equals to 18 into h. So h equals to 153 upon 18, dividing by 9. 153 divided by 9 is 17. H equals to 8.5 centimeters. Read out. Keep your video on, बच्चों.
Sir, in the sixth question, we will draw the figure also.
The sixth question, we will draw the figure also. Yes.
Sir,
Ready?
can I rejoin?
Maybe do, yes. Maybe do question 6. Question 6. ABCD is a parallelogram. AB and BC are given. The length of AL is also given. Here there are two perpendiculars drawn in the parallelogram from the same vertex. I'm drawing the figure on the screen also.
Sir, this is a rhombus.
Parallelogram.
Sir, is the figure is sir means figure sir is like a parallelogram.
ABCD is a parallelogram. AM is perpendicular
There
to
is my
BC.
figure is fine.
Yes. AM is perpendicular to BC and AL is perpendicular to CD. Okay. Let me give you an example. Let's suppose if this is a parallelogram. Okay, if I draw a height from this vertex on, suppose this is D, ABC. This is only an example, everyone. Okay. I'm telling you that the length of AB is 8 centimeters and the height DE is 3. Okay. And DF, the length of BC is suppose 6. This is 6. And DF is suppose 4. Now, if we find the area of this parallelogram ABCD, we can do it in two ways. We can do it in two ways. How? What are the two ways of doing it? See the length AB, the side AB. If we take side AB as the base of the parallelogram, then area will be half into base AB into height DE. This will be the area of the parallelogram. So if we find it, we get half into AB is 8, DE is 3. What do we get? We get 24 upon 2, that is 12 centimeters square. And if we can do it
Sir,
in
your
one
voice is
more
not
way.
coming.
There is some network issue with you. All of you, can you all hear me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So there is another way of doing it. If we suppose take BC as the base of the parallelogram, this can also be done. We can take any side as the base. But the condition is that if suppose you are taking BC as the base, then DF will be the height of the parallelogram. So the height of the parallelogram is taken according to the base of the parallelogram. You cannot take DE as the height. If you are taking BC as the base, you cannot take DE as the height of the parallelogram in that case. So if I take BC as the base, so which side I will take as the height? DF. Now you calculate the area of the parallelogram. Half into BC is 6, DF is 4. Again the area is same, 12 centimeters square. Am I right or not? The area is same again. So this shows we can, if we find the area of any parallelogram with, if we change the base and height of the parallelogram, the area will remain the same. Are you getting the concept? Are you getting the point what I am trying to explain?
Yes, sir.
So here we have to use this concept to find the, in this question, here we will use this concept to find the length AM. How? See, here it is given in this question, the length of AB is 18 centimeters, BC is 12 centimeters, AL is 6.5 centimeters, 6.4, sorry, 6.4. We have to find AM. So let AM be equal to X. We have taken AM as X. AM we have to find. So we will use this concept which I just explained you here. We will use this concept to find the length AM. How we can use it? Let's see. Area ABCD, that means area of parallelogram ABCD, is equal to half into base into height. If we take AB as the base, so which side I should take as the height? Tell me, all of you. If I take AB as the base, then which side will be the height of the parallelogram?
Sir, AL.
AL will be the height of the parallelogram. Correct. Distance between the two parallel sides is given is known as the height of the parallelogram. Parallel sides are AB and CD. So this is AL is the distance between the two parallel sides. So AL will be the height. Correct. And or we can also say that area ABCD is also equal to half into base BC. If I take BC as the base, can you tell me which side will be the height?
Sir, AD.
Sir, AB.
If BC is the
AM.
base, AM will be the height of the parallelogram. Absolutely right. AM will be the height of the parallelogram if we take BC as the base. So both the things are giving you the area of parallelogram ABCD. Am I right or not? दोनों चीजों से हमें area of sorry, area of parallelogram ABCD मिल रहा है? Sorry, not half. Why am I using half here? Really sorry. Base into height. Triangle का area याद आ रहा है. Sorry, students, this is base into height. This is a parallelogram, not a triangle. I'm sorry.
Okay, sir.
Only base into height. So AB into AL and BC into AM. Okay. Both the things are giving you the area of the same thing, area of parallelogram ABCD. So can we say that AB into AL AB into AL is equals to BC into AM. Can we say this?
Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What is the length AB? AB is 18, AL is 6.4, BC is 12, AM we have to find. AM की जगह x लगा लेते हैं. Okay. So 18 into 6.4 upon 12 is equal to x. When you solve the equation, you get x equals to 9.6 centimeters. Any doubt? मैंने डायरेक्ट कर दिया, आप लोग सॉल्व करके करिए.
Good morning, sir.
मॉर्निंग बेटा, गुड मॉर्निंग. बहुत जल्दी गुड मॉर्निंग हुई तुम्हारी. 20 मिनट के बाद, 21 मिनट के बाद.
Sir, there was some network issues, that's why, sir.
Oh, okay.
मेरा तो काम खराब करवाया फिर मैं
Sir, I have solved.
Okay, done, all of you. Start doing question 7. बिल्कुल same है. Exactly of the same type. Start doing question 7. Exactly same. Here the adjacent sides are 15 and 8. One side of the parallelogram is 15 and the adjacent side is 12, sorry, 8 centimeters. Yeah, 8. And the distance between the two longer sides, that means 15, and opposite side is also 15. In a parallelogram, we all know that opposite sides are equal. So the height corresponding to 15 centimeter base is 4. 4 is the height. If 15 is the base, 4 is the height. If 8 is the base, you have to find the height. What will be the height in question number 7? Okay. अगर 15 को बेस लेंगे तो 4 सेंटीमीटर हाइट लगाएंगे. अगर 8 सेंटीमीटर को बेस लेंगे तो हाइट क्या होगा, ये हमें फाइंड करना है. क्वेश्चन 7. अंडरस्टूड? स्टार्ट डूइंग इट. एग्जैक्टली सेम. Yes, post your answer in the group, everyone. Any help required in question 7? All of you?
Yes, sir, doing.
Done. I hope you all have done question 7 now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, question 8. Post your answers of question 7 in the group, everyone. I will check it.
The base will be x.
Question 8. The height of a parallelogram is 1/3 of its base. There is a
Sir, let the
parallelogram.
base be x,
Yes. Let
then height will be sir 1/3x.
base of the parallelogram be x. Base is equal to x. So here it is given that the height of the parallelogram is 1/3 of the base. Therefore, we can say that the height of the parallelogram is x upon 3, 1/3 of the base. That means x upon 3. This is the height. We know the area of the parallelogram given in the question. The area of
Sir,
the parallelogram is
108
given
centimeters square.
108 centimeters square. So write the formula. Area is equal to base into height. We have done hundreds of questions of this type till now.
X square upon
मतलब where you have to form a linear equation. Linear equation chapter में भी आपने ऐसे questions कर रखे हैं. There the figure was not parallelogram, but we have done these type of questions.
yes, sir.
108 equals to base into height x into x upon 3.
X into x upon 3.
Solve the equation and find x, and then find the base and height. Done.
Sir,
Base is equal to 18 centimeter and height is equal to 6 centimeter. Clear?
Sir, height is equal to 1 upon 3 into 18.
That is 6. Okay. Very good.
Please don't remove.
बेटा 7C वाले बच्चे रेस्पॉन्स नहीं देते हो, क्या बात है? नाराज हो मेरे से या मेरी शक्ल अच्छी नहीं है? अच्छी शक्ल।
Sir, I am responding.
हाँ, some of you are responding. Why the rest of you are not responding? मैं तो आपके बारे में बहुत अच्छी अच्छी बातें सुनी है 7C के बच्चों के बारे में, and you all are not responding. बताइए। Okay, question number 9. The base of a parallelogram is twice its height. Base is twice the height, तो base को 2x मानेंगे and height को x मानेंगे. Okay. Let the height of the parallelogram be x, therefore the base will be 2x. Okay. Good.
Yes, sir.
Now the area of the parallelogram given in the question 512 centimeters square. Find the find the value of x. Form an equation first of all, then find x, and then find the base and height. All of you start doing it, and then give your
Same
answer.
question like it.
Yes, after doing it, give your answer in the group. Okay, take a picture and post it in the group.
Sir, the equation will be 2x into x is equals to 512.
Absolutely right. Sorry. Yeah, I'm not going to do it on the board. Okay, I expect you all to do it on your own. Very easy question. 9. Post the answer.
Sir, done.
Very good, Frida. Post it in your class group. Question number 10.
Sir, the form 512 equals 2x square.
Find the area of a rhombus in which question 10 is based on rhombus. Can we use the area of parallelogram in case of a rhombus? Base into height. Do we can we use this formula, area of a rhombus equal to base into height? Can we use it or not? Yes, tell me. all
Yes,
of you.
sir.
Why?
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
we can.
Why can we use it? Do you know the reason? You are right that we can use it, but do you know the reason why we can use it? Anyone? अच्छा लगेगा if your answer is wrong. Even if you try and your answer is wrong, I will feel good that at least you tried. So please try. No, because rhombus is also a type of parallelogram only. Rhombus कुछ नहीं है. Rhombus is a parallelogram only. The only thing is that In a rhombus, all the four sides are equal. What is a parallelogram? A
Even
parallelogram,
right now.
yes. A parallelogram is a figure where is a quadrilateral where opposite sides are parallel. In a rhombus also, there are four sides and opposite sides are parallel. And there is something extra in rhombus, that is all the four sides are equal. So therefore, rhombus is a type of parallelogram. We can use the formula of a parallelogram. Area is equal to base into height. We can use the same formula in case of rhombus also. But if the base and height are not given, then we use the other formula, that is half into product of diagonals. So both the formulas, yes, both the formulae can be used in case of rhombus. Okay, understood, everyone?
Yes,
So
sir.
question 10, first part, the side of the rhombus. So we can also say
Yes,
that
sir.
this is the base of the rhombus. Base is 12 centimeters and the height of the rhombus is given 7.5 centimeters. Area, we can use the same formula, base into height. So area is equal to 12 into 7.5, 12, 6 into 15, 90 centimeters square. बेटा please check the answer. मेरी मैथ्स थोड़ी वीक है, चेक कर लो मैंने सही कराया या नहीं.
यस सर सही कर रहा है 90 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर ही है
थैंक यू बेटा.
the formula of area of a rhombus is 1/2 into product of diagonals.
Yes, that is also a formula to find the area of a rhombus.